In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Instagram. To get started, let's begin by ensuring your Instagram app is up to date. Go to your App Store if you're using an iOS device or the Google Play Store for Android users. Simply search for Instagram, and if you see an option to update it, go ahead and do so. Keeping your app up to date is crucial because the AI feature is part of a recent rollout, and having the latest version ensures you have access to all the new functionalities it offers. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and log in. If you operate multiple accounts, make sure you're logged into the one you want to use with Meta AI. Note that some users have discovered the AI feature is available on some accounts, but not others, so it's worth double checking if you switch between accounts frequently. Now let's find the Meta AI icon or chat. You can start by tapping the search tab, which is the magnifying glass icon, or you might see it right at the top of your feed. Look out for a vibrant circle icon, usually with a blue and purple gradient, and it's typically labeled or associated with Meta AI. Another way to find it is by heading into your direct messages. Tap the paper plane icon in the search bar inside your DMs, type Meta AI. If it shows up, go ahead and select it. With Meta AI open, you're ready to start chatting. You can type in a question or prompt such as, suggest a caption for my travel photo. If your region supports image generation, you might also use commands like, imagine a sunset beach scene. These commands can be a fun way to explore creative interactions with the AI. For those interested in group dynamics, you might want to add Meta AI to an existing group chat. Here's how you do it. Open the group chat and tap on the group name. From there, select Add People. Search for Meta AI and add it to your chat. Once added, you can type at Meta AI in the chat whenever you need assistance. And that's it. You now know how to use Meta AI on Instagram to enhance your social media experience. Whether it's coming up with creative captions or adding a fun element to your group chats, Meta AI can offer valuable interactions right at your fingertips on Instagram. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring this exciting new feature.